In this video, we're making these 4-ingredient chocolates that you can make at home from scratch. So first you're going to add the milk powder and the cocoa powder in a bowl. And just mix that very well. Then you're going to heat some water in a vessel on a stove top and place a bowl on top of the vessel. And then add in the butter and melt it on low heat. Once the butter is melted, add in the sugar and mix that in. Once it is well combined, add in the milk and cocoa mixture and just mix till it's all nicely combined. And then you can transfer this into a mold, or you can even just add it into a flat tray. And make sure to press it very well. I feel like I could have pressed it even more. And once that's filled up, you just need to refrigerate this for 1 hour. And your chocolate's going to set and you can just demold it, and there you have it. These chocolates are ready to be served, and as you can see, these are so easy to make. They make the perfect treat, and it's so nice to tell somebody at Christmas that you made the chocolates yourself at home from scratch. And these taste absolutely divine and just melt in your mouth. Make sure to give these a try this Christmas or honestly any time of the year, and subscribe to stay up to date with new videos and hit the notification bell to stay up to date whenever I upload, and I'll see you soon. Bye!